team will be honored 50 years after winning Arkansas's one and only national title. Well, now we're going to check back in on the downtown Fayetteville Square. 4029's Brett Rains has more from Country Outfitters.
At Country Outfitter, they're more than just boots.
We celebrate it as kind of a lifestyle, celebrating the country, southern lifestyle, and all things that surround that.
And you can't talk country without talking football.
Truth. You can't talk much without talking football in the South.
And with football comes tailgating.
Tailgate in the South is really more of a social gathering, huge party. Some people could even consider it, like a cotillion, a coming out party for some people, because you start when you're a little tiny baby, and then, there's people who do it probably till they're dead. I bet people even died at tailgates.
For some Southern tips for success, you can check out the store's online style section. It's not just for Razorback fans.
Although, if I'm writing it, it usually bends towards Arkansas because that's what I know and love, but we actually have recipes that could go to any tailgate in the country.
Because you never want to show up empty-handed. There's easy food ideas like cheese and more.
If you wanted to really impress somebody and bring just a cheese board to your game day tailgate, or something as simple as a dip or team-spirited pretzel rods.
And to tailgate like a pro, don't forget the entertainment.
You don't want your tailgate to be the lame one. So my suggestion would be putting Phil Collins in the air tonight on repeat, and that'll definitely be the tailgate everybody wants to be at.
For the Hogwell pregame show, I'm Brett Rains.